I've been testing Grok, DeepSeek, and ChatGPT lately, and in this video, I'm giving you a side-by-side breakdown of these three AI-powered tools. If you're wondering which one will come out on top in 2025, keep watching. Let's start with Grok. Grok is an AI-driven search tool that helps you find deep insights and context-rich information across various topics. It's great for anyone who needs contextual search results, especially when dealing with complex queries or research topics. What I like about Grok: it provides contextual search results to give you more in-depth answers. It's perfect for researchers or knowledge seekers who need accurate, detailed information. Highly customizable, allowing you to refine your searches to get the most relevant results. Next, we have DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a data discovery platform built to help businesses extract insights from large, unstructured datasets. It's great for organizations that need to analyze trends and uncover hidden patterns to drive better decision-making. What I like about DeepSeek: it's ideal for data analysis, helping businesses identify trends and patterns that are hard to spot. Powerful AI to find hidden insights in massive datasets. Easily integrates with other platforms, making it great for businesses with existing data infrastructure. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, like the one you're interacting with now, is an AI language model designed for conversational tasks. It can help with everything from answering questions to generating content, making it incredibly versatile for both personal and professional use. What I like about ChatGPT: it excels at conversational tasks, providing clear, detailed, and engaging responses. It can help with everything from writing content to answering complex questions in real time. Extremely versatile, can assist with customer support, brainstorming, coding, and more. So, which one will win? Grok shines if you need deep contextual search results for research or knowledge gathering. DeepSeek is the clear winner for businesses that need advanced data analysis and pattern recognition across large datasets. ChatGPT takes the win if you need a versatile conversational AI that can handle a wide variety of tasks, from content creation to problem solving. If this comparison helped, hit that heart icon for a super thanks. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.